Imagine a bird soaring high in the sky, unrestricted and unchained. That is the essence of human nature. We are born free, wild, and unbound, a fact that is often forgotten in the confines of modern society. Our hearts pulse with an innate desire for exploration and discovery, an inherent yearning to break barriers and transcend boundaries. Yet, we often find ourselves stifled by resistance and restrictions. Remember though, restrictions are not walls, but hurdles. They are not to confine us, but to challenge us, to fuel our fire, to push us to greater heights. So embrace your wild spirit, challenge the status quo, and remember, you are not bound by chains, but by the limits of your own mind. Break free, live wild, and soar high. For we humans were born to be free.